everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Today we're doing something super exciting.
We're going to talk about your dream job.
This is perfect English conversation practice for beginners and intermediate learners.
We'll speak slowly and clearly so you can follow easily and repeat after us.
If you want to improve your fluency, confidence, and vocabulary about jobs and future plans, stay with us till the end.
Hit the like button and subscribe if you're learning English with us. Let's go.
Emma, let's start with you. What is your dream job?
My dream job is to become a children's book author and illustrator. I love creating stories that make kids happy and help them learn important lessons.
That sounds amazing. Why did you choose this job?
Because I believe stories can change lives. When I was little, books helped me a lot. Now I want to do the same for other children. Plus, I can work from anywhere and be creative every day.
Nice. Okay, my turn. My dream job is to become a video game developer.
Wow, why video games?
I love playing games since I was a kid. I want to create my own games that are fun, challenging, and have good stories. Also, the technology side is super interesting. Coding, 3D design, animations. It never gets boring.
Alex, what skills do you need for your dream job?
You need to be good at programming languages like C or Python, or Unity. Also, creativity, teamwork, and problem-solving skills are very important.
What about education? Do you need a special degree?
It's good to study computer science or game design, but many successful developers are self-taught. Building a strong portfolio is more important than the degree.
True. Now my turn. What do you think is the best part of my dream job?
You can be your own boss, work in beautiful cafes, and see kids smiling because of your books. That must feel very rewarding.
Yes, but there are challenges too.
What challenges?
Sometimes it's hard to get published. You need to be patient and keep improving your writing. Also, marketing your book is not easy.
I understand. In game development, one big challenge is that the project can take 2 to 5 years, and sometimes the game doesn't become popular.
Alex, imagine you got your dream job tomorrow. How would your daily life look?
I would wake up, have coffee, then join a team meeting. After that, I'd spend most of the day coding and testing the game. In the evening, I'd play the game myself to check if it's fun.
That sounds cool. For me, a perfect day would be writing in the morning when my mind is fresh, then drawing illustrations in the afternoon. Maybe meet other writers for inspiration.
Good. Next question. What advice would you give to someone who wants the same dream job?
Start small. Write one story every week. Read lots of children's books. Share your work online and ask for feedback. Never stop learning.
My advice? Learn to code by making small games first. Don't wait to be perfect. Upload your projects on itch.io or GitHub. Join game dev communities. Now let's do some role play. Emma, pretend you are in a job interview. I'll be the interviewer.
Okay.
So, tell me about your dream job and why you want it.
My dream job is to be a children's book author. I want this job because I'm passionate about storytelling, and I want to create positive impact on young minds. I have been writing stories for 3 years, and I believe I can bring creativity and value to your publishing house.
Great answer.
Now you try, Alex.
Yes, I want to work as a game developer because I love combining technology with creativity. I have already made 3 small games, and I'm ready to learn more in a professional team.
Excellent.
Emma, what skills do you need to become a successful children's book author?
First, you need excellent writing skills and imagination. You should also learn illustration, either by hand or using digital tools like Procreate or Photoshop. Marketing skills are important too, because you have to promote your books on social media.
Interesting. Do you think it's better to work alone or with a publishing company?
Both have advantages. Working with a big publisher gives you more reach and professional editing, but working independently gives you full creative freedom. I think starting independently and then partnering with publishers is a good strategy.
For me, as a game developer, I need to know programming, 3D modeling, sound design, and storytelling. Also, soft skills like communication and time management are very important because you work in a team.
What is the most difficult part of becoming a game developer?
The most difficult part is probably learning continuously. Technology changes very fast. New engines and tools come out every year, so you have to keep updating your skills.
Alex, tell me, when did you first realize that game development was your dream?
When I was 12 years old. I played a game called Among Us, and I thought, how amazing would it be to create something like this? From that day, I started watching tutorials on YouTube and trying to make my own small games.
That's inspiring. For me, it was during school. I used to write small stories for my younger sister, and she loved them. That feeling when someone enjoys your creation. I wanted to feel that every day.
If you could work anywhere in the world, where would you go?
I would love to work in Japan or South Korea because they have such beautiful children's book culture. Or maybe a quiet town in Europe with nice cafes.
For me, I want to work in Canada or the USA because there are many big game companies there. But honestly, I can work from anywhere as long as I have a good computer and internet.
What does a typical day look like in your dream job? Walk us through it.
I wake up at 7:30, exercise, then start work at 9. Morning is for coding new features. After lunch, I do playtesting and fix bugs. Evening, I might watch some GDC talks or work on my own indie project.
My perfect day. Morning writing session with tea, afternoon drawing illustrations while listening to music, and evening reading other books for inspiration. I also want to visit schools sometimes to read stories to children.
That sounds peaceful and creative.
What are some common challenges people face when chasing their dream job?
Many people give up when they face failure. For example, in game development, your first few games may not get any players. You have to stay motivated.
Exactly. For writers, rejection from publishers is very common. You may get 20-30 rejection letters before someone says yes.
So, how do you stay motivated?
I remind myself why I started. I also celebrate small wins, finishing one chapter, getting positive feedback, or improving my drawing.
I stay motivated by playing great games and imagining my name in the credits one day. Also, having a supportive community helps a lot.
What advice would you give to students who are still in school?
Start learning now. You don't have to wait until graduation. Learn English well because most tutorials and documents are in English. Build projects and create a portfolio.
Yes, and don't be afraid to try different things. Sometimes your dream job changes as you grow. Be open-minded.
Let's practice more real-life situations. First situation, you meet someone at a party and they ask about your future plans.
Hi, nice to meet you. Actually, I'm studying literature because I want to become a children's book writer. I love creating stories that teach kids about kindness and courage.
That's wonderful, and you?
What about you?
I'm learning programming because my dream is to make video games. I want to create worlds where people can have fun and forget their stress.
Great. Second situation, job interview for your dream job.
Tell me, why should we hire you?
I'm very passionate about children's literature. I have already written 15 short stories and illustrated 5 of them. I'm hardworking, creative, and I always meet deadlines.
Perfect answer.
So, what is your dream job? Tell us in the comments. We read every comment.
Practice speaking by recording your answer and comparing it with ours.
Don't forget to like, share this video with your friends who are learning English, and subscribe for more conversation practice.
Dream big, work hard, and speak English confidently.
See you in the next video. Bye.